Hello, this is Lucas, and in this video I'm going to go over how we can display or select data from our tables in MySQL. So in the last video I explained how we can insert data into our table. So this is the table that we have created, okay? We have three fields: user ID, username, and password of the type integer, varchar, and varchar, right? And you can see that we have inserted two values. Okay, we have inserted one value with the values 1, Lucas and Lucas123, and then the second value that the second record that we inserted was just the user ID is 1, the username is Lucas, and we didn't insert password, so that is going to be null. So now I'm going to show you how we can actually display this. So to display or select the data, we have to write select, and now we have to write what we want to select. Okay, so let's say I want to select everything from this table. I want to select all of the data. To select all of the data, we use star. Okay, and then we do from, and then the name of our database, or the name of our table, which for us is table 1. This is the name of our table, and then semicolon at the end. Once we click enter, you can see that we have the values displayed. So the first record is 1, Lucas123. You can see that we have set this here. Okay, we have inserted user ID, username, and password as the values 1, Lucas, and Lucas123, and you can see that it's coming up here in our table. And then we have inserted another record with the values of user ID and username as the values 1 and Lucas, so 1 and Lucas. And you can see that we haven't mentioned the password in this query. And the reason why it's coming up null is, firstly, the default is null. So if we don't mention that field whenever we are inserting, by default, we are going to leave that as null. And we can only do this if null is yes, if we are allowed to insert null values in this row. So you can see we are now displaying everything. Let's say that we want to display let's say we only want to get the username and the password of all of the users. But we don't want to display the user ID. Okay, so we only want username, the values of the username, and then password, and then the values of password. So the way we'll do that is we'll do the same thing. We'll do select, but now instead of all, you can see that we have written all here. This is just getting all the data. We want to just get the username and password. So the way we do that is we will type in the fields that we want, so username. Then we also want to get the password, so separate that with a comma, and we want to get the password. Okay, so select only the username and select only the password from our table, and then we have to add in from the table, so because it needs to know from what table am I supposed to get this data from. So then we write from table 1, that's the table we're using, and then if we press enter, you can see now we are only getting the data from the username and the password. We are not getting the user ID displayed. Okay, because we have not mentioned it in here. We are only selecting the username and the password. Okay, well, obviously, if we just want to get the user ID, we just have to specify user ID, and we will just get the user ID. We will not get the username, and we will not get the password. Okay, so that's about it for this video on how we can select data from our tables. Hope this video was helpful. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.